In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to enable PayPal in Wix. Start on your Wix dashboard for the site where you want to accept payments. Double check you're in the right project if you manage multiple sites so you connect PayPal to the correct store. Next, open Settings from the left sidebar. This is where Wix keeps your store-wide options, including checkout preferences, currencies, taxes, and all payment providers you can use. Choose Accept Payments. Here you'll see the payment methods available in your region. You'll likely notice options for cards through Wix Payments or other gateways, manual methods, and PayPal. Before you continue, glance at your site currency and business location at the top, since PayPal availability can vary by country and currency. Find PayPal in the list and click Connect. In some dashboards, it may appear as PayPal Checkout. Either label will enable standard PayPal payments. Clicking Connect starts a secure handoff to PayPal, so you can link your account without sharing credentials directly with Wix. Only proceed through the official PayPal window that opens from this flow. Now complete the requirements to connect and enable PayPal. Sign into your PayPal account and approve the permissions so PayPal can process your Wix orders. If PayPal asks for details like your business name, address, or a customer service email, fill those in and continue. Some accounts may need to switch to a PayPal business profile. If you see that prompt, you can upgrade within PayPal at no cost. When the connection is successful, you'll return to Wix and see PayPal marked as connected. Make sure the PayPal toggle is turned on so it appears at checkout, then save your changes. A few quick notes as you finish up. Payouts for PayPal orders happen in your PayPal account, not in Wix, so review your PayPal balance, withdrawal schedule, and fees based on your region and currency. Once enabled, your customers will see PayPal at checkout and can pay using their PayPal balance, linked cards, or bank accounts. If something doesn't appear, revisit Accept Payments to confirm the connection status and that your currency and location are supported. That's all you need to enable PayPal in Wix and start taking payments with confidence.